perspective is which part on the exhaust, for example. I think yes, the best one, the whole exhaust, right? So you can have a big surface area to harvest the heat. But I think in terms of economical wise, it's not very good, right? Because it's become expensive. So maybe in the number 3, you can investigate which component that can provide you the best power output, and also compare with the whole type in terms of cost and also the power outputs comparison. Same as I comment right now, please get the numbers. For example, like number 2, underutilization of waste heat. So how much the waste heat from the exhaust, for example. And then number 1, when you said about change in integration the system with the existing engine component, you also need to mention the details of the change. For example, like in terms of cost, in terms of manufacturing, or in terms of the weight of the car and so on. Number 3, you said about integration and cooling system. I think you want to, number 3 is related to obtain the big temperature difference, right?
Yeah.
So it's related to fluctuated heat. So you also need to mention how fluctuate the heat and how much from the previous report, how much the temperature difference can be obtained, for example. That one you want to increase. So you have the target numbers of the temperature difference that you want to improve. So you will start April.
Okay. No problem.
How about the methodology? Have you made it?
This is the methodology. This is the chart.
I think this one is more on experimental methodology. So please recheck it again. After this, please make a detailed methodology. For example, like the design. So what kind of design? What are the variables? What is the parameters that you want to change, for example? And then in terms of simulation, so what kind of parameters that you want to raise, and then what kind of physics that you use, and how about the boundary condition and so on. So it's also include the type of the car, the exhaust system, which part that you want to integrate with. So if possible, next week to show me the methodology.
Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you, Doctor.
大家好，
So yeah, I just reply your WhatsApp.
no problem. This is the title I want to do is solar floater terminal integration system. In short, it's a system with solar panel and TG.
I think the word is not suitable. Please recheck it. It's not solar float.
Floating. Okay.
It's a floating solar.
Sorry.
I think there are several reports also that mention there is no report. Is there any report that have integrated DEG with the floating solar system? Is there any report? The other studies?
No, isn't. It's just a slide. It's a slide to introduce.
You have reviewed the other studies, the others work.
And we have FPV, PV, but don't have FPV and TG. Only have PV and TG.
There is no work about floating solar panel with DEG.
I don't find the some. I don't find it.
Okay. So what is the research gap that you want to improve?
Is that for traditional solar panel? For every 1 degree Celsius increase in temperature, the power generation and efficiency of solar PV solar panels decrease by 0.4% to 0.5%. But for the FPV, which has environmental factors such as water and wind as its cooling system, it has 2% to 11% decrease in battery temperature.
Okay, I know.
Yeah.
So in the floating solar cell, they use the passive cooling, which is the water.
Yeah.
And then what you want to do with that?
Because we have inevitable existence of temperature difference. So I want to use the temperature difference and add the TEG to compensate this decreases.
Oh, because there are temperature difference between the floating solar cell and also the water. You want to put the easier.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, my FYP student have done this. Like, it's okay.
And I found a research had shown that
Once again, you have to explain it to me. So you want to put the EG between the floating solar cell and the water, right?
and the environment. Yeah.
The water or the wind?
Water.
The water.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what you want to do?
It
The objective.
is introduction to
Introduction is okay.
Okay. And is my research questions
This also okay.
permanent statement
Your objective.
object? Is that
Don't use plan in your objective. Don't use the word plan in your objective. And don't use act. So just I also suggest use design, investigate, clarify, propose, estimate.
okay. Understand objective.
Only 2 objectives. At least you need to have 3. 3 objectives.
Sorry. I just not two.
Please make it into 3. And then I think you also almost said like the others. Design, design, investigate, then propose. But for you too, because you are already specific, this is quite general, I think. Already specific, you might be can change a little bit on the objective. For example, like your case, to investigate the influence of thermoelectric materials on the temperature difference or what, something like that. Can also possible. So please rewrite back your objective. Reconstruct back your objective, as I mentioned. It's okay. Can you understand? Please reconstruct back your objective based on what I said just now, like to design, to investigate.
Okay.
This one is not an objective. This one is more like what you want to do. To add Diyici, that is what you want to do. That is not objective.
Okay. I'm sorry.
This one also, this is what you want to do. This is not objective.
Yes.
The objective, what is your target? At the end, what is the output of your research?
Okay. And this is what I want to do. Actually, if I work for myself, what should I do in the next time? I found five. One is collect information related to this, and the second is identify the formulas and the data related to this.
This one more like your review. What is the previous studies? Okay. This one you need to do it fast.
Yeah.
It's not the one that you need to do in few months. This one actually you need to finish it before you start.
Okay.
So please make sure this all finish at least by next week or next 2 weeks.
Okay.
If not finished yet, I think it's hard for you to start your work. Okay.
I finished my presentation.
So next week or next 2 weeks, please finish this review.
Okay.
Then make a table of comparison.
Okay.
And then please make your objective. And also your methodology. So these 3, I hope that you can finish at least. And this in April. If not, I think it's quite late for you to start.
Okay. Thank you for your time.
I think for you two, you already can start the simulation. So for you, you can test the simulation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the one what happened?
So,
He go find another supervisor.
Oh, find another supervisor.
Yeah. 你觉得
我觉得好的，换到是吧？
you want to change title?
What is name? Okay.
Hu Jun Hao.
How to spell?
H U